Presenting, OnePlus Nord 4, 5G smartphone. The available sizes are 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. It is available in colors, Oasis Green, Mercurial Silver, and Obsidian Midnight. It comes with 8GB RAM, and 256GB internal storage. Equipped with dual SIM slots. Designed with 120Hz OLED display, and Aqua Touch technology to provide precise typing and swiping, even with wet fingers. Featured with 50MP Sony True Light main camera with OIS, 8MP Sony ultra-wide camera, and 16MP True Skin selfie camera. Built with Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, and Oxygen OS 15. It comes with 5500 mAh battery and 100W SuperVOOC fast charging, with blazing fast 100W adapter. The box includes phone, power adapter, SIM tray ejector, phone case and Type-C cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.